Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to repost reels on Instagram. It is easy and simple, so please watch the full video and also subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. First of all, open Instagram application, then tap on reels option in the bottom. Now let's suppose I'm reposting this reel. So for this you should have to do something, but I am telling you that the method in Instagram is a little bit different from TikTok, because TikTok provide directly repost option, but in Instagram you will not find repost option. So for this, tap on this paper plane up icon and then tap on add reel to your story. Now you can edit it here. You can add text, you can add stickers, and also a lot of things. And after that, tap on your story option at the bottom. It will share to your stories. Now when you tap on this option, it will be shared to on your story. So that is the method. Hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.